Okay, we're now going to use the ideas of density, and in particular density of liquids, and we're going to try and work out the amount of mass we've got in a liquid that's been dissolved in a liquid. So we've got here what we're going to call an energy drink, and an energy drink is basically water with some sugar in. So in here we've got some water, some sugar, and a little bit of colouring as well, just to make you think it's an energy drink. Okay, so we're going to try and work out how much sugar is in that, and to do that we're going to use the fact that we know the density of water. I've got it written here for us to remember. The density of water is 1 grams per centimetres cubed. So however many centimetres cubed you've got, the mass, the density of that water is 1 gram per centimetres cubed. And we're going to use that to work out the mass of a quantity of water in a second. But first, let's try and go back to the energy drink. So here we go. We've got the water with some sugar dissolved in it. Okay, so we're going to put the measuring cylinder on top of our top pan balance, and we'll zero it or tear it. So if I just press that, that now says 0. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour in, I'm trying to see this so you can see it, 100, it's right at the top. So if I pour in 100 centimetres cubed of our energy drink, there we go. So we've got 100 centimetres cubed of our energy drink, and this is giving me a mass of 103.1 grams. Okay, so we've got the mass of our sugary water is 103.1 grams. Now, if this was just water, the key idea is, because of this fact here, the density of water is 1 grams per centimetres cubed. With 100 centimetres cubed of just water, that balance would say 100, because from mass is density times volume. Density of 1, volume of 100 would be mass of 100 grams. But we haven't got water in there, we've got our sugary water, and it's telling us that the mass is 103.2 grams. So the mass of the water on its own, I can write this in, I don't have to do it. The mass of the water on its own would be 100 grams. So in terms of how much sugar have we got in there, we know that the mass of the sugary water is 103.1. The mass of the water on its own would be 100. So we can just do 103.1 minus 100 grams to give us the mass of the sugar would be 3.1 grams. And we've calculated that using the idea of the densities of the two liquids.